Hi, I'm Kat, wife, mum, biker and travel blogger. This April we went on an epic road trip through Germany. We saw incredible castles, beautiful waterfalls, went up a mountain, rode in the Black Forest, slept on a riverbed, saw more castles and travelled through some of the most incredible places we have ever been. Welcome to the Germany Travel Blog series. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss an episode. Did I mention the castles? Morning guys, happy Easter. It's 7 a.m. We are just about to set off for Germany as you do on Easter Sunday. Well, this is how we do Easter in the van. Woo!
Easter egg hunt.
There are 27 mini eggs hidden in our motorhome. There is one hidden on the outside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, I'm putting my earphone away.
Didn't tell you to put your earphone away. Oh, he's in the lead! He's in the lead! He's in the lead!
Oh. It's in my shoe, but never
I
mind.
never thought you'd find that one. I'm impressed.
I've got 7. Come on, 8.
I was just there.
How many have you got there? So Dad's got 11.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15, and I've got, how many have I got?
You said 11. There's one missing.
One missing. Where is it?
I don't know, but I'm going to come and help you hunt.
Got it.
We are currently in France, just about to head off to Germany. It's a beautiful morning for it. We don't entirely know where we're going, so that'll be exciting. The adventure begins! The adventure's going backwards. The adventure begins! So gang, how are we feeling about our adventures?
Excited.
Where are we going first?
This way.
Anyone apart from me actually know where we're going?
I've got no idea, I'm just a driver.
I'm just here.
You're just here.
Favourite child.
Only child. Well,
Basically. Precisely your favourite.
only child. Child. Okay then. Right, I guess it'll be a magical mystery.
We run away to get us up when we're low. Just chase the waves. We'll make it.
The whole sludge on the windscreen right in camera view.
If you're heavy, I'll show you where to go. Won't you set free? Behind the town full of we run away to get us up when we're low. Oh, even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down. We will go our way until we go flatline.
This is the motorhome service bus. You drive over
That's your grey
your
waste.
grey waste. It's on with grey waste. And then you can put some pennies in and you can have drinking water or you can have toilet water. I think actually there's a toilet waste there, isn't there?
That's drink.
Yeah, there is. There's a
There's
toilet waste.
toilet. But how do you know? So that's drinking water
Yeah.
on that side with that side. that was our first night in our little wild camping spot. It was quite nice actually, wasn't it?
It was great.
It was totally quiet. Not well. There's a couple of people around. There aren't anymore. We're the last people. It's really bright. And look, I'm in a t-shirt.
I know.
It's
Summertime.
kind of warm.
Nearly.
It's what, about 12, 15 degrees maybe?
Get in
It's
there.
quite good. And it's only 11 o'clock in the morning. Hey. So now today we're going to go fix the mess we've made.
We've not made a mess.
Well-
That's the problem. We haven't made a mess.
We haven't made a mess,
So
but
to-
we have messed up. So
Yeah.
today we're going to go fix that.
We are.
And then we're going to go off and Germany. And we can put a new sticker on our map on the back of the van.
Nearly there.
We run away. So let us up when we're low.
Oh, we're going to let these cars go past.
Yeah. Oh wow, pretty car.
Oh, they're going in there.
Oh, are they?
They stopped.
Yeah.
You see that bit there?
Well, there's water. See the waterfall there?
Yeah.
Even if I lose my ground,
This is unexpected.
hold me down. Waste more time.
Are you munching?
Yeah, eh?
Are you munching?
Yeah.
Gotta be Easter egg.
The thing in my life.
Maybe you're not.
It might be an Easter egg.
I do have my other Easter egg. I can't be trusted. That is very pretty, isn't it?
Disney is very fitting for this.
Oh, pardon. No, no, no.
Nous avons appris toi aussi tout à l'heure.
Et nous laissons parler maintenant. Merci.
Très bien. Alors quand tu vois les coquillages, là, ça fait rien. Mais voilà, il est là, Casper. Le voilà, le Casper.
Hi. What do we think of the glacier cave?
It was a cool cave.
It was a cool cave.
Lack of glaciers, but it's cool.
Yeah.
There was some of the ice that they'd left was cool, but
To be fair, do you think it was lost in translation? Because we saw glacier and thought glacier, but actually they just meant ice.
maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, some of the pictures looked a bit more.
Yes, icy.
Yeah.
So are we glad we went? Would we come back? Would we recommend it?
Well, we're glad we went. Would we come back? No, I don't really think.
People coming this way, would we say you have to visit the glacier cave?
No.
You don't have
No.
to, but I suppose if you want to have a.
The waterfall was cooler.
Yeah. There's a pretty waterfall by it. That's cool. But the cave is just. I mean, if you like listening to people talk,
If you understand French.
which I don't.
Here's the face of concentration. And you want to see what she's concentrating so hard on? Cake.
It's because it's a big fork.
I know, we don't have any cake forks, do we?
No,
We're so uncivilised.
I don't like big forks.
Is that what? That's what they're saying is a good place to stop. Bizarre, isn't it?
Jesus. That's a bit strange.
We've packed up for the night, somewhere on the French-German border, next to this incredible building. If I zoom in, what is that? It's like a watchtower. And it looks like a sort of mill or a mine or something. We think it's probably from maybe World War II, but we have absolutely no idea. And this is the campsite. So there are some motorhomes. It's not really a campsite, to be fair. We can't find any services, and yet we can't actually find where we're supposed to pay our €6. But it looks very pretty, and right there, through the trees, there's a little van. We still need a name for, or him. Is it her or him? Is it her? We've decided on the... Oh no, I thought of an awesome name! There we go, I'll get it on video, what you think. What about Fiona?
What?
She's big and green.
Still makes no sense whatsoever.
Princess Fiona, Shrek, Donkey, Puss.
Oh, I see.
See, it makes sense now, doesn't it?
That makes sense, yeah, okay, that makes sense. No,
Okay, Fiona has been poo-pooed.
Fiona has been put.
Okay. Oh, okay, I'm filming having sex. That just looks dangerous.